Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about three very highly sponsored popular beauty gadgets. Do we really need them? I'm going to show how to use them. Yeah! But before we get started, if this is the very first time you're seeing this face, hello! I am Jovita and I would love it if you took a second to click that subscribe button just underneath this video. Now that my arms are in frame, I don't know suddenly what to do with my arms. So if these kind of look like these T-Rex arms, kind of awkward, that's why guys. They feel foreign to me suddenly. Anyways, let's get started with our very first product, and that is the Flawless facial hair removal. Now off late I've been seeing a lot of influencers show the eyebrow little facial hair removal. This is the one that came out a few years ago, which was basically designed for the whole face, or especially your mustache area. Now I got this off of Amazon, and actually I didn't get it, I lied. My sister got this for my mom a couple of years ago, so this is a few years old, and I don't really remember how much this was. What a shoddy job of a review. Wait a minute. Jalebi baby, I just wanna see it. Jalebi baby. Alright, I got the prices guys. So this original one goes for about 399 rupees, 319 rupees. There's a special edition one for 599 rupees. So I guess it really depends on which seller you buy it from, but around 400 bucks I want to say. And the eyebrow one, which is basically the same thing but a smaller one with a pointier tip just to accommodate your under eyebrow. Middle of the eyebrow. That goes for 599 rupees or 600 rupees. Oh guys, I think the fakes were 399 rupees, sorry. The original is 1180 rupees. I was like, 399 rupees? That looks really inexpensive. Wow. No. It's a Flawless women's wax finishing touch mix cart epilator with USB cable. But this is not an epilator. Let's just start there. This is basically like a shaver. I also have the demo portion of this video. So that is the size of it. So this has been sitting in my mom's cupboard for about 2 years. She's used it 1 or 2 times. I think she's just lazy, or she prefers her threading, you know, she just like does that, and while watching serials she just uses her thread to do threading. That's how she removes her facial hair, which is why I don't think she used this as much. Sorry Gilda, I know you wanted to make mommy's life easier, but she's a creature of habit. But because of you, I can do this YouTube video now. Thank you, sister. Anyway, so this comes with a rose gold portion, and I think the fact that we got this about 2 years ago gives us an indication of how well this lasts. So this is 2 years later, which is amazing. I have to say that the rose gold portion definitely has eroded a bit. There are black dots all over, and the color of it has slightly rubbed off on the edges. Well, I don't know how to describe this machine like I describe lipsticks. All you have to do is in small circular motions go over the hair, you know. It's kind of, you know what, even in my demo I had mentioned that it kind of is not smooth. It kind of like pulls on your, like I would like it to be just smooth and just go woo. Is that asking for too much? I thought that was a particularly sweaty day, which is why it was too jumpy on me, but today is not a humid day at all, but it's still kind of jumpy on me. I'm nitpicking, but let's watch my demo first. Guys, thanks to the lockdown, my upper lip hair, it has grown so much, it's kind of embarrassing. Should I show you? Oh my god. If I show you my mustache, we have exceeded all sorts of bond we've already established on this channel. You better be smashing that like button. Smash it now and I'll show you my mustache. Even my eyebrows, can you see? Oh my god. Okay, let's go. So that's embarrassing, but yeah, your girl got a little bit of mustache. We're gonna check out how efficient this guy is. And this kind of shaves your hair so it's pain-free. This is getting slightly warm to the touch, but nothing alarming. It's cooled down really fast too. Also guys, when you store electronic items, it's always good practice to remove the battery and store it. It helps in the longevity of your product, especially if you don't use it all the time. If you use it regularly, it's okay to keep the battery in. It's basically like a razor. It does not pull out your hair. All you have to do is the things that my dad has seen. Alright, so what are my final thoughts on this? Guys, I think this is a bit too expensive for 1,180 rupees because it pretty much does the job of a razor. And that you get like a 3-pack for 300 bucks. By the way, I wanted to include face shaving in this video because that's a very popular gadget as well. But I have made an entire video on face shaving, which I will link right here or here. But if you want me to make an updated video, definitely thumbs up this video and also leave your specific face shaving questions in the comment section below. But first, obviously, check this video out so I can answer any new questions for you. Now, if I have to really stretch it, the difference would be there is no chance of nicks or cuts with this ever. You're not gonna cut your face with this. You can be careless. You can sit in front of the TV, not really bother. You can definitely take off your eyebrow if you go over your eyebrow. So you have to be careful. When I say in front of the TV, that's for like mustache and everything. You're not gonna hurt yourself. By the looks of it, lasts a very, very long time. So that is okay. And the third thing is that it definitely felt a little bit more gentler on the skin than a razor. With a razor, you have to make sure that your blade is fresh. So you can't really have more than 3 or 4 uses per razor. With all the humidity in the air here in India, the blade starts to rust and you can't put a rusted blade on your face because that is gonna ruin your skin, to put it in the shortest possible way. But with this one, this is not going to give you an exfoliation or the dermaplaning benefits. This is literally just going to remove your hair and it's very, very gentle. So now it's up to you. If you want to spend 1,000 bucks for a razor, you don't need to go to the bathroom. You don't need to wet your face or apply soap. You literally can just do this. It's convenient for sure. It's also travel friendly. You put it in your bag. And how fast will your hair grow back? Exactly like how it would if you shaved your face. It will not make your hair grow back thicker. I've explained all that in my face shaving video. But it can feel a little stubbier or sharper. Why? I've explained it here. Let's move on. I feel so organized with my table and everything today. Like, ooh la la. Anyways, guys, we have the Gua Sha. So this is the YBP Gua Sha. In India, I believe they were the very first brand to come out with their own Gua Sha. But at this point, many brands have Gua Shas. Now, what is a Gua Sha? Gua Sha is basically a face scraping tool that is made of precious stone. Is that what you call this? This is something that the Chinese used to do to massage their body. It was not even invented as a face massage tool. Gua Sha was never a beauty ritual. It was a scraping method used by the Chinese on the body to increase blood flow and drain lymphatic fluid and basically like a deep muscle massage. If I'm correct, this has been adopted by the rest of the world as a beauty treatment. And if I'm wrong, guys, please be kind with me. This is what I've learned from my research. You can correct me down in the comment section below. Now, Gua Sha comes with precious stones, and do you really need a precious stone? No, but it feels nice. And it's going to be long lasting as long as you don't drop it and break it. Will it break if you drop it? 100%. Another thing about precious stones is the fact that they always stay cool to the touch. So no matter how hot your place is, this is always going to be so cool to the touch. So it is refreshing. You feel absolutely amazing when you scrape your face with this. Do you need this? I would say this is a luxury. This is something that you can invest in if you want to. Nobody needs this. Now, let's come to why does one use it? Basically to reduce bloating. All of these effects are temporary, guys. Don't expect a permanent solution by using Gua Sha. Now, Gua Sha also is a soft, gentle massage on your face. You're supposed to use it softly on your face, not really dig into your face or anything. Some people say that this helps in pushing your skincare products into the skin, but when I use a Gua Sha, I like to use a heap load of oil, facial oil of course, on my skin. I don't use serums and toners and niacinamide and whatnot. And for me, it's something more of a relaxation or a pampering routine that I do for myself. If you want results where you smoothen out your fine lines or get that lift or depuffing effect, you have to be consistent with it, like almost on a daily basis. And I am too lazy to even remember something like this on a daily basis. I can't be committed like that, so I don't use it like that. I just use it when I remember remember, that could be once a month or once in 6 months, and I sit in front of the TV on a Sunday night and just do this while watching a movie. That's what I do. It's a skincare luxury. You can get it if you would like to pamper yourself, like one of those tools. Finally, let's come to the jade roller or the facial roller. This works on the same concept as the gua sha. This is basically used to massage your lymphatic nodes on your face. I know we have two right here, and we have two right here, and we have two right here. And there are a lot more on the face, by the way. So when you scrape it, you have to scrape it towards the node. So you're helping that drainage. And from here, you scrape it down so you can, drain the lymphatic fluid off of your face to get a little bit more chiseled face or a de-bloated effect. This is a much milder version of the gua sha, and this is also made with precious stones. If you buy the original versions, if you buy the cheaper ones off of Amazon, you are not gonna get precious stones at all. The YBP one, I believe, is around 2,000 something rupees. They have so many different types of gua shas that cater to specific needs. Coming back to the gua sha, actually, medicinally, this was also used to treat or give relief to body pain and migraines and all that. So when I have a migraine, I actually scrape this on the side of my head really hard all the way to the nape of my neck. I do this for about 15 minutes and that gives me immense relief. I also have very stiff neck and I get a lot of neck pain. There is this indented portion of the gua sha. I take it on. Mic is here, so let me turn myself to this way. So I take the gua sha, place this on the nape of my neck, and I massage it downwards. And this also really helps with the blood circulation and the blood flow, and also kind of relieving me of my neck pain. And here you can apply pressure. Of course, apply something lubricating like a couple of drops of oil so it slides on your body and it doesn't like drag your skin and cause more pain. On the face, can you use your fingers to do the same exact job? Yes, you can definitely use your fingers to do the same exact thing. The only thing is that your fingers, the skin on your finger will absorb a little bit of the product. This is not absorbing anything, and a good stone will not even harbor bacteria. But of course, after use, you have to wash it with soap very gently and clean this after each use, guys. And with the different points, you can even like massage, like if you have like a really bad migraine, you can really apply that pressure on that spot and just do, oh, that feels good, especially because it always stays cold. So the purpose of this is not beauty alone. That's the gua sha. Now once again, coming back to the jade roller, this works more on two different stones on a roller. Basically, there is a smaller roller, there is a larger roller, and when you buy the expensive ones, you get like sapphire stones or emerald stones or jade stones, which again always stays cool to the touch. If you buy the cheaper versions, they will still do the job, guys, but it can break faster and it needn't be cool to the touch. Like right now, I think this is the one by Pure by Priyanka, and I think this is a rose quartz. So this is so cool to the touch and so relaxing just to feel it. How you would use this is you apply your skincare products or a layer of facial oil on your face, and you would just roll this on your face. And this would again drain that lymphatic fluid, give you a gentle massage. So that would help in, smoothing out your fine lines and wrinkles just a little bit. Don't expect Botox kind of results from this, of course, but you can get a little bit of smoothing out, because even hand massage, facial massage actually really works when it comes to anti-aging. So you can use the smaller side just underneath your eyes, above your eyes, on your crow's feet. If you have the 11s, you can use this to kind of massage those out. In the demo, you can see that I've been using the gua sha on the right side of my face and the jade roller or the facial roller on the left side of my face for about 20 minutes. And let me know down in the comment section beneath, do you see a difference from when we started? Now coming to the big question, is this a must-have? This is a luxury purchase. This is an indulgence that you can do for yourself. Again, let's check on the price. This is 2,000 rupees from Pure by Priyanka. If you want to buy the Pure by Priyanka one, guys, I have a 20% discount code. I will link that all down in the description bar below. Definitely check that out. It's very relaxing, guys. You need to do this to realize how relaxing this is. But can you use your fingers to do just the same thing? Yes. Does it feel as special? No. So can you skip on this? Yeah. But should you indulge? Maybe. That is completely 100% your call. So between these two, with this, you have a lot more control, you have a lot more room to experiment and get creative. This is basically, you're just gonna roll. You have a smaller roller and you have a large roller. That's it. That's gua sha and roller for you. So that is it with this video, guys. I hope I have given you as much information as I could. If you found this video helpful, definitely help me out by clicking that thumbs up button just underneath this video and let me know what else you would like me to review next. So until next time, this is me, Jovi, signing out. I love you so much. Mwah.